Students, welcome to my video. Today we are going to see second chapter, parallel lines and transversal. Let's recall, what are parallel lines? The lines which lie in the same plane and do not intersect each other are called parallel lines. Parallel lines means the lines which lie in the same plane and do not intersect each other are called parallel lines. In this figure, line L and line M are two distinct lines, and you can see that they do not intersect each other. Even the distance between these two lines is same. Such lines are called parallel lines. So, in this figure, line L and line M are parallel lines. Symbolically, we can write this as line L parallel line M. You can see there are two vertical lines, that is a symbol for parallel lines. Now let's learn about transversal. What is transversal? If a line intersects two given lines in two distinct points, then that line is called a transversal of these two lines. Transversal means if a line intersects two given lines in two distinct points, then that line is called a transversal of those two lines. In this figure, line L intersects line M and line N in two distinct points. So, here line L is a transversal of line M and line N. Next, angle made by transversal. If a line intersects two lines at two different points, then 8 angles are formed. In this figure, line PQ and line RS are intersected by a line AT. So, line AT is transversal of line PQ and line RS. And this transversal forms 4 angles at point M. First is angle AMP, second is angle AMQ, third angle is angle PMN, and fourth angle is QMT. And at point N, first angle is angle MNR, second angle is angle MNS, third angle is angle RNT, and fourth angle is angle SNT. So, these are 8 angles which made by transversal. These angles are grouped in different pair of angles. Let's study the pairs. First is corresponding angles. What is corresponding angles? It means if the arms on the transversal of a pair of angles are in the same direction and the other arms are on the same side of the transversal, then it is called a pair of corresponding angles. Look at the figure. Here line AT is a transversal of line PQ and RS. Corresponding angles are the same side of transversal. For left hand side of transversal, there are two pairs of corresponding angles. First is angle MNR and angle AMP, and second pair is angle RNT and angle PMN. Similarly, we have two more pairs of corresponding angles to the right hand side of transversal. There are angle MNS and angle AMQ is first pair, and second pair is angle QMN and angle SNT. So, we have total 4 pairs of corresponding angles. Now, second is interior angles. Interior angle means a pair of angles which are on the same side of the transversal and inside the given lines is called a pair of interior angles. In this figure, line AT is transversal of line PQ and line RS. There are two pairs of interior angles in this figure. Interior means inside. There are four angles inside the line PQ and line RS. They are angle PMN, angle MNR, angle QMN and angle MNS. These are the four interior angles. First pair is angle PMN and angle MNR, and second pair is angle QMN and angle MNS. Last is alternate angles. Alternate angle means a pair of angles which are on the opposite side of transversal and their arms on the transversal show opposite directions is called a pair of alternate angles. Look at the figure. Line AT is transversal of lines PQ and RS. There are four pairs of alternate angles. They are classified as interior alternate angles and exterior alternate angles. There are two pairs of interior alternate angles and two pairs of exterior alternate angles. First, see interior alternate angles. Interior alternate angles are pairs of angles which are formed inside the two lines. In this figure, angle PMN and angle MNS are inside the lines, and it is one pair of interior alternate angles. Note that the angle should be inside the lines and they would be the cross angles. Here, angle PMN and angle MNS are cross angles and they are inside the lines PQ and RS. So, angle PMN and angle MNS is first pair of interior alternate angles. Angle QMN and angle RNM is another pair of interior alternate angles. You can see that they are cross angles and inside the two lines. So, angle QMN and angle RNM are second pair of interior alternate angles. Now we will see exterior alternate angles. Exterior means outside the two lines. Note that the angle should be outside the lines and they would be the cross angles. Look at the figure. Line AT is transversal of lines PQ and RS. Here, angle AMP and angle TNS are outside the lines and they are cross angles. So, angle AMP and angle TNS is first pair of exterior alternate angles. Now, angle AMQ and angle RNT is another pair of exterior alternate angles. You can see that they are cross angles and outside the lines. So, angle AMQ and angle RNT is second pair of alternate angles. I hope you understand parallel lines and its transversal and angles made by a transversal. Thank you.